to change name on Subway Surfers. Changing your in-game name in Subway Surfers is not directly possible through the game settings, but you can do this workaround. First of all, open the Subway Surfers app on your mobile device. Then all you have to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings section. Now, once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the report a problem or customer support option available there. Then simply tap on the continue. Here you'll have to tap on the troubleshooting option available there. Then once inside the troubleshooting, you can see I want to change my name option available. Tap on it. Now connect your account and you can simply change your Facebook name or to alter your in-game name, update your name on Facebook. This will reflect in service offers after synchronization, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.